Hi everyone. Thank you for joining the webinar today. So let's get started in a few more minutes so other attendees can join. Okay, hello everyone. So we can start our webinar. So this is Sangeeta, and I'm product consultant working at Spikra for the past 2 years. And with me, Saranya has joined. So she's a senior product consultant in Spikra. Okay, so can you guys please give me a thumbs up if you can hear my voice clearly? Okay, thank you. Okay, so as all you know, in this webinar, you are going to see about Zoho bookings plus Zoho CRM and how it is connected together. So before getting into the webinar, we will run a couple of polls. Can you please give me an answer for those polls? Okay, and the last poll is your challenges you're facing in appointment scheduling. Okay, so I could see, most of the people are struggling on managing multiple schedules, and some of them are struggling on double bookings and missed appointments and no shows. Okay, so I hope after this webinar you will get an idea about how scheduling software will work, and you can also get knowledge about how you can create your own booking page in Zoho Bookings. Okay. So in this webinar, we will look into the Zoho booking page. So how the booking page will look like and how you will schedule meetings. And then I will take you through the Zoho Bookings module. So what are all the modules is available in Zoho Bookings, and then what are all the meetings and calendar software can be connected with Zoho Bookings. And then I will show you how to create a new booking page for yourself. And then the last one is we can see how Zoho Bookings are connected with Zoho CRM. Okay, so as all you know, Zoho CRM is a customer management relationship tool where you can manage your customer data and you can interact with your customers. So for those, you will be using Zoho CRM. And Zoho Bookings is an appointment scheduling software where you can create your own booking page and you can share it with your customers, or you can also embed it in your website web pages, so where your customers or prospects can schedule a meeting with your team. Okay, some key features of Zoho Bookings are, so where you can automate the schedulings. So you can reduce the number of emails and text, the back and forth. You can reduce all those emails and you can just share your booking page URL where your customer can see your availability and book a meeting with you. And you can also customize your Zoho booking page where you can add your brand logos, kind of things. And after you can also get an automated reminder, so it will remind you your customer and also your and it will also remind yourself. And you can also integrate with online payment platforms like Razorpay and PayPal, etc. So you can also collect some collect amount for if you have any paid bookings. So without any delay, I will take you through the Zoho booking page. So this is a sample booking page I have created where I can see the booking page name, and you will see the consultant who is you will get connected with, and you can select a date from here. So you can select a date where you want when you want to schedule the meeting, and you can also select the time zones from here. And then you can select the available time slots. So for today, only these slots are available. When you click on book appointment, the customized fields will be displayed here. So let me give a name for this. Okay, let me select. Okay, once the meeting is booked, it will show you the meeting. So I have connected with Zoho Meeting. So it automatically created a Zoho Meeting URL, and it will also send you an email to the registered email address. So from here also you can add it to your calendar like Zoho Calendars or Google Calendars. So this is how you can book meetings in Zoho booking page. So then I will take you through the Zoho booking software. So first there is a module called appointments. So where you can see the upcoming appointments, and it will also show you the past appointments. And there is one more section called custom date where you can, if you want to see any particular appointments for a particular date, here you can select the date from and to date, and you can just filter out all the appointments based on the date you have given. And then the next one is IT consultant. So here I have created two booking pages. So one is product support and another is IT consultant. So if you are having more teams, so like a support team, product team, and IT team, you can create separate booking page for all your teams, and you can embed these booking page URLs in your website. So where your customer get into your web page and they will select which meeting, which appointment they need. Okay, so then the next one is booking page. So it will just show you what are all the booking pages you have created, and what are all the your team members will be listed here, and then the workspace. So if you have any one or two workspace, so here I have created two workspace. So if you are handling two services, you can create two separate workspaces, and under each workspace you can create a number of booking pages. And in my profiles you can see your own informations and details, etc. So let me create a new booking page. Okay, so click on this plus icon and select IT sorry. Okay, select IT consulting. So where there are four options. You can create booking page for one-on-one sessions or a group booking. So you can there are two options like one to many or many to one. Or if you have any resources uh, like some other resources, you can also schedule. You can also create a booking page for that. So for now, let me give it as one-on-one. And here you need to select the workspace. So for which workspace you are going to create this booking page. So let me select as speaker, and you need to give a name for this booking page. So CRM. And you need to set the duration for this appointment. So let me just go with 30 minutes. And as mentioned previously, you can integrate with any payment gateways like Razorpay. If you click this option, you can give the amount which you need. So for now let me go with the free plan, and you can there are two options, which is online and offline mode. So if you select online mode, so the meeting software which you have integrated with Zoho bookings will be displayed here. So currently I have integrated with two softwares, which is Zoho Meeting and Google Meeting. Okay, for now, let me select this Zoho Meeting and then click on next. So here you need to select the specialist. So which person is going to attend this appointment. So let me select this person as the specialist. Okay, so now the booking page is created. Okay, once the booking page is created, you need to set up some other things like reminders, and if you need to assign one more users to this booking page, you can also assign it from here. So all the given information is updated here, and then the next second one is assigned IT specialist. So here you can see what are all the specialists have been assigned. So if you need, you can also assign a few more people from this option. And then the next one is availability. So okay, so here you need to select your own availability time. So I have just given the working days and the times. So which is 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can also customize it for different days. And after updating this, click on save. And the next one is special working hours. So if you are working on any special hours, so you can select a date from here. You can select the date, and you can also select the times. So from which time to which time you're working, and you can just click on add from here. And then the unavailability. So if you are unavailable, so take for example, if a holiday is coming on any your given working day. So if a holiday is coming on Friday, you can add it from here. You can block your calendars on Fridays. Okay, and the second one is scheduling rules. So if you want to set any buffer to the appointments, you can set it from here. So there is an option for pre-buffer, and also there is an option for a post-buffer. Say for example, if the first meeting got extended uh, for 10 minutes, so and the second meeting has also got delayed. So to avoid these things, you can set buffers for the meetings. And the second one is booking notice. So minimum booking notice and maximum booking notice. So where you will set a timing. So in this, if you set Okay, if you set this 10 hours, so the booking page time slots will only available, time slots will only available after the 10 hours. Okay, the maximum booking pages are, you can select the number of days. So only for the next 10 days, the booking page will be available. So you can set those from here. So let me give it as 10 days and then we can see how it will be reflected in the page. Okay, I have given the limit as 10 days. So here you can see only the next 10 days has been available. All the other days date has been blocked. Okay, and then the you can also adjust the slots. So if so from one slot from the time slots you can adjust 15 or 30 minutes in between the slots, and you can also set a timing for set rules for cancellation and rescheduling windows. So only if the meeting got rescheduled, it should be done only before 1 or 2 days. Like that, you can set all those rules from here. And the next one is notification preference, where you can set email notifications and SMS notifications. So if you have any third-party tool for SMS management. You can integrate with your Zoho bookings, and also you can send a personalized message to your customers. So in the email section, you can see for if a meeting is booked, it will send an email notification to your customer. And also if a meeting is rescheduled or cancelled or completed, so it will send, there are 5 options where you can send email notifications to your customers. And you can set reminders before 30 minutes or before 15 minutes. You can set reminders for all the scheduled appointments. Okay, and the last one is booking forms. So currently at default, it will give you 3 field names, which is name, email, and contact number. So if you want to add some other custom fields, you can add it from here. So at okay, I need to get some knowledge about how for what the booking is booked. Let me give it as okay. So give a field name from here, and this will get reflected in your booking page. So once it is saved. Um, Okay, see here and description box is available where the customer can fill in their requirements before getting into the call. Okay, so once the appointments a page are designed, you can just share it using this link, or you can also use this code to embed it in your website. Okay, so this is how we can create a booking page in Zoho Bookings. And then I will show you what are all the what are all the calendars and meeting platforms can be connected with. So okay. In the settings page, okay, there is a tab called integration. So click on this most popular. So where you can see I have connected my Zoho CRM account and also Zoho calendars, Zoho meetings, and also Google meetings. So if you want, you can also connect it with your Microsoft or Zoom, and you can connect it with your Google Calendar and Outlook Calendar. Okay, so I will show how I have connected Zoho CRM from this Zoho bookings account. So you can see I have mapped the customers data. Where I can see the field mapping. So I have connected each fields with these fields in CRM. Okay, so and in Zoho CRM, I will show how the integration page will looks like. So get into the marketplace and you can see Zoho bookings from here. So click on manage. So I have already set up the integration page. Okay, so I have connected it with the contact model and I connected the first name, last name, and email, phone, etc. So if you want any customized fields to be needs to mapped with Zoho CRM, you can do it from here. So it will be mapped with the meetings. So in Zoho CRM, there is a separate module called meetings where the appointment scheduled in the bookings page will get reflected as a meeting in Zoho CRM. So here you need to select the option. So which meeting link should get linked to this model? So I will give our booking page. So here the custom field which we created will be displayed here. So I will just map it with the descriptions. Okay. Once this is done, the integration will be done. So let me book an sample appointment. So I will give my requirement. Okay, once the meeting is booked, it will give me the meeting link. And when I get into the Zoho CRM page, okay, so using the same, okay, the contact or the customer who booked the meeting will be reflected in inside the Zoho CRM. So here you could see the Sangeeta, the contact has been created, and also inside the meetings, the meeting will also be updated from here. Okay, so this is how Zoho bookings will work. So if you have any questions in these, you can drop it in the uh, Q&A session. Okay, so if you need any demo or if you need to set up your booking page, you can reach out to sales@picra.com. So okay, I guess there is no questions on the webinar, so we can end the session now. So thank you for joining the webinar.